Turkey's fifth-generation KAAN fighter has successfully completed its second test flight. The technical details of the tests have not yet been announced. The flight has not been officially confirmed yet. Since the first flight on February 21st, engineers have been integrating new systems to improve the fighter's software, flight, and combat characteristics. TGRT TV channel date should be noted that on February 21st, the KAAN fighter jet of the Turkish Air Force, which took off from the Mertut Air Base stayed in the air for 13 minutes. The speed was more than 420 kilometers and the flight height was 2.4 kilometers. The Turkish Aerospace considers the assembly of the second, a prototype, as a pivotal milestone in the aircraft's ongoing evolution. The impending comprehensive flight tests will not only ask questions, but will also provide vital responses. In any such project, the development and testing of a second prototype is always marked as a crucial turning point. In the first stage of the KAAN's airborne trials, the team meticulously assessed the aircraft's flight worthiness. This involves judgments on the aircraft's maneuverability and control across various altitudes and ensuring its performance aligns with expectations. Analysts project that the KAAN will host an array of weapons, a mix of air-to-air, air-to-surface, and anti-ship missiles. Additionally, there is the possibility that might include an internal gun. "'Cause you're the wrong sister." Thank you. As your little sister,